Hello friends, this is Anil Kumar Nirmal, financial consultant and the soft skill trainer. Today we are going to discuss about the SBI Blue Chip Fund. So on the regular basis, I am recommending this fund to my clients. Uh, and the beauty about the product is that it's giving a good return and the consistent return. Right. So let us go about this. So as you see on the screen that SBI Blue Chip Fund is an equity oriented large cap fund. SBI Blue Chip is an open ended fund and investing in large cap stocks. So let us go one by one. If you see the net asset value and the last dividend at the face value of rupees 10 it is given. So if you take the NAV of the dividend plans, it is 21.9058, regular plan it is 3850, direct plan 2625 and direct plan growth 40.43. So this portfolio I have taken since the May month 2018. If we talk about the objective of the fund to provide the investor with the opportunities for long-term growth in capital through an active engagement investment in the diversified basket. So uh, we were talking about the uniqueness of the fund. So these are the some common things about the fund. So fund manager Miss Sohini Andani is one of the USP of this product because uh, she having 23 years of experience, and out of this 23 years of experience, she is managing this fund since September 2010. Means almost 8 years the one person is managing the fund, and that's how the returns are coming. So benchmark of this fund is S&P BSC 100 index. Now the exit load, if you redeem below 1 year, there is a 1% exit load, and above the 1 year at that is nil. Entry load is not applicable in this fund. So plans are available on both the mode, that is regular and the direct, but I will suggest you to get the recommendation before investing of your individual financial advisor because it is very necessary. Because I am recommending this fund according to need and requirement of my set of customer which I am managing, but your requirement and need could be different. So consult your fund advisors before the investment. So the fund is available in the SIP mode. So minimum 1000 rupees SIP you can start, 5000 rupees lump sum you can start, and then 1000 rupees you can invest whenever you required after investing one time lump sum. Okay, so the major part of this fund is the portfolio. So look at the portfolio. So there is near about, if you see, 91.64% is the equity. As I told you, it is a large cap fund. So 91.64% is the equity. So out of this equity, if you see, 8.79% is HDFC Bank, and Bharti Airtel is the lowest, that is 1.08%. So there are near about 56 stocks in which it is bifurcated. So uh, if you see, portfolio looks very diversified because it start from the banking to technology to pharma, everything is added. And we will also see the portfolio wise distribution and the sector wise distribution. If after that 91% if you see, there are warrants of HDFC Limited, that is 0.60. uh, there is a CBLO certificate, uh, there is a CBLO 0.63, reverse repo rate 0.35, index future. So 2.65% of total corpus is in the index future. So and the particular index future are they bought those futures. That's why there is a long index future. So I'm showing you the Excel one more. So here it is derivative. So name of the instrument long short quantity, right? So National Stock Exchange of India Limited means Nifty June future 2018 they have taken the long position, right? So this is what the portfolio I was talking about, right? So like HDFC Bank, we said the total quantity is 78,59,239 shares of HDFC Bank Limited, right? And the lowest number is, so here comes Solra Active Pharma Science Limited, that is 3,78,310 shares, right? We are talking about not percentage, we are talking about absolute numbers, okay? So we just let us come back to the main screen, okay? So we were talking about the portfolio, we were discussing the portfolio. So I said I was telling you that portfolio classification, so industry wise allocation. The financial services 33%, automobile 11.85, consumer goods 9.34, construction 7%, energy 6.24, reverse repo 5.34, pharma 5.09, fertilizers 3.49, IT 3.47, industry and manufacturing 2.79, futures 2.65 as we discussed. So this is the overall bifurcation of the portfolio. So it is a well mixed portfolio. So uh, uh, we'll discuss in future few other large cap fund whereby you compare the financial services are given the weightage of near about 48 to 50 percentage. So here it is a quite balanced so that your risk is lower, and that's how the standard deviation would be lower of this fund. We will see in this page only. So portfolio classification, cash and the other current asset. So 7.7% is the cash which can be used at any given point when the market fall down. So green is the mid cap 11.25, right? Large cap is almost 78.72% because it's a large cap fund. So the large cap is given a more weightage, and that's how the fund is quite stable. So let us come on the parameters which manage this fund. So quantitative data, if you see the standard deviation 12.56%, as I told you few seconds back, that standard deviation risk is low, so standard deviation is just 12.56%, okay? Beta is 0.86, it is lower than 1, so uh, risk would be lower. Sharp ratio 0.40 and the portfolio turnover is 0.92, okay? So SBI Blue Chip Fund, this is a product suitable to investors who are seeking long-term capital appreciation, investment in equity and equity-related instrument of large-cap companies. Investors should consult their financial advisor if in doubt about whether the product is suitable for them or not, as I told you earlier, which is also written in the disclosures. Okay, so thank you for listening and watching this video. If you have any doubt and the queries, you can put down below in the comment box, and not required to subscribe the video or like the video. But yes, if you want any details about the product and if you have any query, you can just comment so that we can discuss it out and we can resolve the queries. And also, if any suggestions and any ambiguity, just mark a comment. We'll get back to you. Thank you so much for listening and the watching.